Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Stripo for authenticated email template management UI, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with Stripo for authenticated email template management, visit the Stripo website. Click on the sign up button if you don't have an account. If you already have an account, select the login option. Enter your email address and password to log into your Stripo account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Here, you will see various options for managing your email templates. To enable authentication, locate the Settings option in the sidebar. Click on Settings to open your account preferences. In the Settings menu, find the API and webhooks section. Click on API Keys to create a new authentication token. Select the Create New Key button. Label your new API key for easy identification. After labeling, ensure the required permissions are set for template access. Click on Generate to create the API key. Once generated, copy the API key for future use. You will now set up your authenticated email template management UI. Use this API key in your application's authentication header. In your email template management UI, implement the necessary authentication logic using the API key. Ensure your application securely stores the API key to protect it from unauthorized access. After authentication is set up, return to your Stripo dashboard. You can now create, manage, and edit your email templates seamlessly. Explore other features Stripo offers to enhance your email template management. Regularly check for updates or changes in the API documentation. This will help keep your integration smooth and up to date. With these steps, you are now ready to authenticate your email template management UI with Stripo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.